First off, I'd like to explain that I'm having a little difficulties with my recording device today. For some reason, the other view is not working, so my camera or my video taking skills are going to be a little off. Today I'm going to be going over one of the FE problems regarding interest, specifically compounding interest. A little background though, so there's three forms of interest that are taken in financing. There's simple interest, which is nominal interest, which is interest just taken off the initial investment. It's a very basic, crude way of calculating interest rates. The next is compounding interest, which uh, acquires interest on the interest, not simply just off of the initial investment. And lastly, we have continuous interest, which is better known as PERT. Um, and here are the equations that go along with those. As you can see, simple interest is there's no exponential or there's no power involved with that. It's a simple equation where A is the amount after interest is equal to P, which is the initial investment, plus 1, or to the times 1 plus interest rate times time. Compounding interest, as explained, is similar, but it goes to the power of. So it's the amount is equal to the initial investment times 1 plus interest rate over the amount of compound, like the amount of times that you compound your interest, to the power of the number of times you compound your interest times. And T is always in years. And last we have continuous interest, where the amount is equal to the initial investment to e to the power of your interest rate times time. Going over problem set 1, question 5, we see that we have an initial investment, and these are all given in the problem statement. I'll read that off for you right now. Question 5 reads, if you paid $50,331 total for a loan of $22,000 at an annual compounded interest rate of 18%, how long did it take to pay off your loan? So given those given values, we have an interest, or the amount is equal to $50,331 at the end of the period. You have an initial investment of $22,000, an interest rate of 18% or 0.18, an unknown time, and it's compounded annually, so we have an n equal to 1. By following the compound interest formula and plugging in the variables that we do know, we're able to come down to this line right here. After dividing the amount by the initial amount, we're left with this line right here. In order to solve for t, we have to use log to solve for that, because we do have the basic setup for that. So using log base 10 of 2.287 divided by log base 1.18, which we get from this side, we're able to solve for t, which is approximately 5 years. Alright, hopefully this will help you in your FE studying, and I hope you guys have a great day.